Hi everyone. So I'm Cindy and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Procureezy. So Procureezy is a procurement platform and we want to empower hardware engineers to source better and launch their projects sooner. So meet Alex. Alex is a hardware engineer working on the next generation of spacecraft, and he's very frustrated because he has been scrolling the web to look for the right components and the right suppliers. And Alex's case is not unique. Actually, today, hardware engineers spend up to 1,000 hours per year searching for the right components and the right parts. And yet, they are still using the same old searching methods. They are looking through the web, so Google search, very extensive Google search. They spend a lot of times. They go all over the world on trade shows like this one, Paris Space Week. They hop on a phone call or emails to have the right data sheets. And of course, the word of mouth is still a good way to find suppliers. So how does Procureezy help? We have created the first all-in-one platform for hardware engineers to source and find their suppliers. We have dedicated purchasing workflows, a supplier directory, a specialized search engine that I will show you a little bit later, and also advanced analytics for them to use. So how does it work? Basically, you simply type your request on our AI-driven search engine, and then the system will analyze millions of data points to look for the best supplier or the best component for your needs. And you get an instant response with a comparison of different suppliers, for example, on specific technical specifications. Our early users already have cut their sourcing time by 75%, and they spend on average 40 hours per project, saving them 40 hours per project on average. So we want to reinvent hardware procurement. Of course, we envision a world where hardware engineer and procurement teams will spend less time looking for parts and more time building the next generation of spacecraft, space satellites, and so on. We want also to serve deep, complex, and ambitious projects on a regulated market like defense also and aerospace. And we are starting with the space industry, of course, where thousands of startups are actually building the future, and it's a huge market, as you know. So right now we connect a very driven ecosystem of buyers with new space companies, also space agencies, so we work with the CNES, for example, government agencies, and also defense organizations. And we connect them with dynamic ecosystem of suppliers. So whether it's satellite manufacturers, subsystem integrators, or launch service providers, or also very specific parts like electronic components or ship components. And our platform is currently live, and we have built these platforms with tools for them to work between each other. So whether it's the procurement team directly or the hardware engineer, they can collaborate together with tools. We also have an integrated database of suppliers where they can display their products and they can access easily our catalog of products. And they can manage, of course, their suppliers and projects. If you want a demo, just tell me. So we are two co-founders with myself, CEO. I've been working for the past 15 years in the sales tech industry, working in also deep tech and selling computer vision. And I'm also part of Space Women Alliance associations. And my co-founder, CTPO, is his second time founding a company, and he's been working in New York on the marketplace. We are surrounded also by experts of the industry from Airbus, CNES, and ESA, and we are a member of Aztec, where we have a booth over there, CO8, and we are based and incubated in Station F. So if you want to join the hardware procurement revolution, don't hesitate to go online, www.procureezy.com. And if you're a hardware engineer, an investor, or a supplier, just let me know. Thank you.